You wake up one morning and the price of money has changed. Your mortgage feels heavier, your savings feel weaker, and somewhere on the news a single sentence explains it all. The central bank raised rates. That sounds clean, controlled, reassuring, and it's only half true. Because the uncomfortable truth is this: central banks announce the price of money. They don't fully control it. And right now, that distinction matters more than it has in decades. For most people, the story is simple. Interest rates go up to fight inflation. They go down to stimulate growth. A few officials vote, the economy reacts. But money doesn't move because of votes. It moves because of incentives. Here's how the system actually works. Central banks don't set your interest rate. They set a reference point, an overnight rate for banks lending to each other.
That's it. Everything else is built on top of that, by markets. Banks decide what to charge you. Investors decide what returns they demand. Bond traders decide what governments pay to borrow. And they do it based on risk, fear, expectations, and momentum, not press conferences. This is where the illusion breaks. When inflation expectations rise, lenders demand higher returns before central banks act. When debt levels explode, markets quietly raise the price of money on their own. When trust weakens, rates climb even if officials beg them not to.
History makes this painfully clear. In the 1970s, central banks hesitated. Markets pushed rates up anyway. In 2008, central banks slashed rates to zero. Markets froze regardless. In the 2020s, trillions were printed. Rates stayed low until suddenly they didn't. Not because policymakers were tougher. Here's the uncomfortable math. The irony is that the more debt an economy carries, the less control policymakers actually have. They become trapped between credibility and collapse. Raise rates too much and something breaks. Lower them too much and trust erodes. So who controls the price of money? Not a committee, not a building, not even a law. It's controlled by belief.